Hey, do you want to learn how to download and install Google Gemini on Windows PC? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So let's get to it. So as you know, Google has not released Gemini app on Windows yet. They just have it for macOS. There's a workaround for this. All you need to do is if you're on Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, you need to open up gemini.google.com and then log into your account. After that, on the top right of your browser, you're going to find these three dots. Click on it, and then you'll find this cast, save, and share. Hover on it, and then you'll find this drop down. So all you need to do next is install page as app. Press on this and then install it. Now it's going to show up like this. You have your application installed on your PC. You can right click the application in the taskbar and pin it to taskbar. Then when you close Google Gemini from here, you would still have the application in the taskbar. So I can open it again from here. And if you want to uninstall it, you can just go over to the top here, menu bar, press on these three dots, and then uninstall Google Gemini from here. And yeah, that's it. This is how to install Google Gemini on your Windows PC. I hope they come out with an official app for Windows, but for now, this is a workaround. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Windows or Google Gemini related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.